Yan ang ginagawa niya buong araw.
That's what he does all day.
Pag-isipan mong mabuti.
Think carefully.
Huwag mo akong lokohin.
Don't fool me.
Masaya ka ba sa kanya?
Are you happy with him?
Dapat magdala ka na lang ng pagkain.
You should bring food.
Akala ko galit ka sa akin.
I thought you were mad at me.
Huwag kang maingay.
Do not be noisy.
Ano ang naaalala mo?
What do you remember?
Hindi ko pa alam.
I do not know.
Huwag kang magmadali.
Don't rush.
May naghihintay ba sa'yo?
Is someone waiting for you?
Hindi ito magtatagal.
It won't last.